In this session, we are going to see about the pointers. So first, we will see the definition of pointer. A pointer is a variable which can store the address of the another variable. It is the direct memory, direct address. It can be stored, and we can use the pointer in our programming by using the unary operator asterisk symbol, so that return the value of the variable. If you are using the operator asterisk symbol, it will be returning the value of the value that is held by the memory, that will be returned here. We'll see the syntax, how to declare the pointer, data type, asterisk symbol, that pointer variable name that we can give. For example, if we want to declare the integer pointer, we can declare int, the data type int, and pointer symbol, then IP. So this IP is now is a pointer variable. This is a pointer variable. For double pointer, we have to give double, and we can give the pointer variable name. Similarly, we can use for the other data types also. And in this example, by using the integer pointer, I will be declaring a variable named var, and I am initializing with the value of 20. Now I am declaring the pointer variable, that is an integer pointer variable. Now I am assigning the address of the variable to the pointer variable. Address of the variable to the pointer variable. So that means the address of the variable var will be stored in this pointer variable. Now we are using some operators we are using to handle the pointers, that is ampersand symbol and asterisk symbol. The ampersand symbol is called as the reference operator, also called as the address operators. Here the asterisk symbol is called as the dereference operator or the pointer operator. You can see the address symbol is the reference operator. It gives the address of the variable. The address of the variable will be given when you are using the ampersand symbol. The dereference operator, when you are using the dereference operator, it gives the value of the value from the address. It can be holded some a memory address. That address value will be returned. Let's see from this example. For example, I have initialized the value variable a as 5. Okay, and I am declaring one pointer variable also, pointer p, and I am given pointer p equal to address of a. So that means the pointer variable can hold the address of the a. Address of a only I am assigning. So address of a is 204. So the 204 will be stored in this pointer variable. So whenever I am printing the variable p, by using the dereference operator, it returns the value of 5. Without dereferencing operator, it returns the value of 204. So we'll see demo from the here. I'll be initializing the variable, and I am initializing the pointer variable. For your reference, I am giving in the next lines. So we can give it in the same line also, no problem with that. So I will be giving in the next line. Now I am assigning the pointer address of a to the pointer variable. So that means whatever the address by the a, that will be assigning to the pointer variable p. Now I am initializing with the value a as some value 5. So what will print what will print if I am given that P? So if I just given A, so we all know that if I am giving by executing this program, this printf statement return the result of 5 will be getting printed. So what if I am given P? I just a P only I used. Now it will print the address of the A. Some memory address will be assigned for the variable A, that will be getting printed, which is equal to this printf statement, which is equal to the address of A. The both giving the same result. Address, either we are given address of A, or I can type here. It won't execute like this, but I can type here. You can use percentage A, ampersand of A, or printf. You can give simply P. So both will give the same result, comma P. So both, if you are using the statement, both will give the same result. Now we'll check with the other options. So for example, if I am given pointer P, so pointer P, if I am given this, so what it will return? It will return the value of, it will return the value of 5. If I am given simply P, it will return the address. It will return the address. So if I am using the dereference operator, it will return the value of the variable holded by the pointer. So now if I am assigning point, if I am changing the pointer variable, I am assigning the some values, some example 10 I am assigning to the pointer variable. Now what value it getting printed if I am printing the A? If I am printing the A, either it is getting printed the 5 or 10. It will be printing the value of 10 only, because what we are doing, some error is occurring. So you can check also, if I am executing this, it will return the value of 10 only. Why? Because the pointer P, which is holded the memory of the A, memory address of the A. What we are initializing this 10 is changing into the memory of this pointer P, which is holded by the pointer P. In that memory location, the 10 will be updated, so it will be replacing that 5. So whenever you are executing this statement, it will return 10 only. It will print the value 10. Now we will see. Now we'll see the double pointer. So double pointer is also the similar like an pointer. So for example, so number is one variable. I am storing the variable as 45. The address of the number is 3000. The address of the number is 3000. Now I am using a normal pointer, and a pointer equal to and I am assigning address of number equal to pointer. So the pointer holds the memory of the number. The number memory is memory address is 3000. So 3000 will be holded by the pointer. So this variable also, this pointer variable also having an address. So that is 4000. If I am using, I am using the double pointer. So double pointer means you can use the two dereference operator. Declare a pointer, normal pointer variable. You will be using the one dereference operator. For double pointer, you have to use two dereference operator. So pointer to pointer is a variable name. PTR to PTR is a variable name. Now I am assigning PTR to PTR equal to address of PTR. Address of PTR. That means it will be hold at the address of the PTR. Address of the PTR is 4000. So the 4000 is holded in the PTR to PTR. This variable also having an memory address, so that is called 5000. Now we will execute from the previous assignment. We will be executing this program. So you can see number I am assigning 45, and I am declaring one pointer, normal pointer I am using, and a double pointer I am using. Now I am assigning the pointer as PTR equal to address of the number variable address will be assigned to this pointer, and I am using the double pointer. So the double pointer, this pointer address will be assigned to this double pointer. So generally the double pointer is hold only the address of the pointers. It is not going to assign the values. It will be considering as the memory address only. So whenever you are using the double pointer, it will be returning the it will be using the it will be considering that as the value of the memory address only. Now when I am using the printing this, it will be printing 45. It will be printing 45. Now see, I am using the double pointer to print the statement, so it will be returning the result. So what if I using the instead double pointer, if I am putting only one dereference operator, that means instead of double star PTR to PTR, a single star PTR to PTR if I am given, so what value will be getting printed? It will be getting printed of 3000, because what is the value of this, it will be printed that only. So it will be printing 3000. So if I am removing that one star also, it will be returning the 4000. It will be returning the 4000. Okay. So this is the double pointer.